Welcome to the SEO Advanced course. In this course, you will learn about the latest SEO techniques and strategies to help you rank your website higher in search results. Module 1, Technical SEO. Technical SEO is all about making sure that your website is technically sound and easy for search engines to crawl and index. Module 2, Keyword Research. Keyword research is the process of finding the right keywords to target with your SEO campaigns. Module 3, Link Building. Link building is the process of getting high-quality backlinks to your website. Module 4, Content Marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating and distributing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. Module 5, SEO Tools and Analytics. SEO tools and analytics can help you track your progress and measure the effectiveness of your SEO campaigns. By the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the latest SEO techniques and strategies. You will also be able to use SEO tools and analytics to track your progress and measure the effectiveness of your SEO campaigns.